Okay, I'm back. I tinkered with all things, did a more thorough reading of the docs, and let me just show you what I landed on. Let me first open my terminal. Let's go to language hub. Let's make sure that server is running already. Alright, that's running. Let's just do that. So because of how Starlight is made, you can't exactly add it to the URL like what I wanted to have it the language hub / docs. You can't do that with the content folder structure directly. What you'd have to do, and what I did, is within, let me close all of these files so they're not confusing for you guys. What you have to do is you need to make an additional folder inside the docs folder. So the docs folder is the core one for for Starlight, right? This one. But in order for me to get it to /docs, I need to make an additional docs folder, right? So that's what I did. Additionally, I installed the MDX plugin because I wanted to use the Astro components. So that's what I do. You go docs, and then you start putting your stuff in here. Then we have this index.mdx because I wanted to use the components. So this is what I did. This is what I want the main docs page to be, right? That's what I wanted to be like a splash screen, similar to what is going on here, right? Then get started and review on GitHub. However, I am not a fan of the roundedness of this. So what I did was I created a CSS file, right? This one, custom CSS, that targets this. That targets. It's supposed to be display flexes, isn't it? Anyway, it's fine. The targets most of these, specifically this one. This is the one that I needed to have less roundedness because I am not a fan of all the rounded everything. It's too smooth, as it were. So that's what I did. And if I'm now to come here and go to docs, right? We have this. Welcome to Language App Docs. So by default on your browser it will start as night mode, but on mine, because I'm set to dark mode, it would start as dark mode. So this is more things sort of like flow together, since it's all light mode, so it's both the same way. See, it's not as rounded, which I prefer. And this is just a card component from Astro Docs and stuff. And this is, so let me not hurt your eyes. Right, and this is like a link card that goes to the contribution section of the language app. So with this project, there's two ways you can contribute: either the language content data or the code itself. Both are welcome. Yeah, so that's why I have these two things. So if we're now to go to get started, see, now we have getting started, which gives you a quick start to how to install. And this is important. This is set at version 4. This is intentional. If you try to bump up the version, I'm going to block your pull request. I have reasons for my version 4, for me wanting version 4 over other ones, over the newer ones. Right, so this is what I did, just the steps. You clone the repo, you change the directory, you install dependencies. Maybe I should add tabs for NPM as well. Yeah. So what I was thinking about, get started, to also add the project structure. I think that would be good. Yeah, we added just the general project structure. That'll be useful because they have this this component here. I think it's file tree. This is one. This guy, which would actually be useful for that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Do the file tree one, and add it to, just people can have a general lay of the project structure, and then we'll do the same thing for the different contribution sections. But what I want to do first, right, let's go back to welcome. I want to add a bit more information here, specifically this one, to check this out. So we're going to do that. We're just going to start adding stuff. We're not even going to fluff around. We're going to start adding stuff. So I need the index.mdx. let's not check this out. It's make this I don't even know what to call this. But this one is languages by the people for the people. Yeah, by the people for the people. So, important stuff in one place. One place. I think that should be fine. Important stuff in one place. Languages by the people, powered by Astro contribution.md. If you want to get up this, I already put this link. I also want to have these guys, this GitHub link here as well. Discord, it would go to my Dante Decodes Discord. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, but we'll do that later. So here we are currently. Let's go getting started. So this is the quick install that I said we wanted. Oh yeah, something I had to do in my Astro config while I was off screen is to, because I have this contributing section, and I wanted to come after getting started, but after getting started. So this is what's called, we have this order thingy, order sidebar order 1, so order sidebar 2. If I were to make this order sidebar 1 because it's in a folder, this would come before getting started. So rather than trying to fight with this, the solution was to actually come into the the configuration of Starlight and have my sidebar defined manually. So like here we have docs is first, then docs getting started is second, then contributing, this auto generates both of them, then we have the docs about, and that's what happens. Then this is the theme provider. This theme provider is one that makes sure it starts as light mode, and then you can always switch it later. So that file is in components. See, that's up here, right? This guy, it is this guy. So all it does is, like, if local storage is get item starlight theme, if it's there, we set it to light. If not, yeah, we set it to light by default. You can always switch it to dark mode on your own. This is more for uniformity. I'm sure if someone contributes, they'll find a way to make the initial site dark mode, light mode. I am not doing that. That's not the purpose of my project. I just want the languages there and easy to get to. So that's that done. So now we need to go to getting started, right? That's what we need to go to getting started and add a file tree. This is not going to be fun because this is a lot of work. At least I've got a reference in my readme. Yes, what? My readme has a project structure of some sort. Yeah, I do have it here. Yeah, okay, cool. We have this, so that's fine. Let me come here, let me split it to the right. Then I'm going to come to here and open getting started. Then we're going to come to the bottom of that. Then I'm going to go project structure. Then I'm going to need to import file tree from here. Should actually remove some of the things I'm not using here, because I don't think we're using code, so there's no point to be importing it here. And I'm using a side the other way because I want to rename it. So this is usually, it'll be, let me actually go to the docs. Let me stop speaking and take you to the docs themselves. So the aside, right, these are your callouts. If you know Obsidian, or if you know GitHub, what's it called, GitHub readme writing, this is a callout. They call it asides. But if you want to have a custom title, right, you'd have to do it like this. Not icons, custom title, like here, because this is a way to do it. And the one I did was I think I saw it from the ordering markdown. Yes, here, this is where I saw it here when I was reading. So you see, I was reading from top down. Where did I see it? Not that. Where did I see it? Where did I see it? Where did I see it? It was, you see it here. Like this one. This is how they did it. So you could do this, or alternatively you could do what you see, like aside titles, you could do this like what I did, or you could actually come and let me bring it back aside. You could come and do this aside, come on, spelling. Then you see here title is going to be important. Then in here important stuff goes here, stuff here, like so. Let's have a good look. See, I think it died. Let's see. So right now it's just the default one. So it's just a matter of what do you want to use more. But the issue with this one, well, it's the same thing. You have to make it, I think it's type is tip. I didn't read. Tip, like so. Yeah, so it's like that. So either or, choice is yours. It's a toss up. I chose I saw the markdown way first, so I just used that to begin with. Maybe font uniformity, we could actually, for uniformity's sake, let's actually use the components since we're using MDX. Yeah, let's do that. Let us remove you there. Paste you there. Then I can add some, mix this, paste this there, move you, and actually find and open my package.json. Let me check the actual version we're using of Astro 4.16.18. 18. No, my bad. Oh, wrong thing. Okay, let's put this on a new line. Okay, what do I have to do? 2 spaces? They are there, 1, 2. See? I'm not putting a new line. I'm not doing that. I am not putting a new line. Excuse me. I need to check if I was still recording. Okay, yeah, it did work. Thank you. So now let's do the file tree. Let's come down here. File tree. Just close the file tree. Alright. Comment faire les file trees? L'arbre des filles. That is, here we go. How do you do that? These are just okay, that's fine. Cool, let's go. This is my guide. Go .github. Can we add comments? Sure, we can add comments. Can we add comments to the files? Add comments. Oh, this is to highlight. Huh, that's nice. That is very nice. Oh yeah, here's comments that I want. Oh, you did the exact same thing. But why are you, how did you do this though? Important is italics, but how did you do that though? Who knows? We'll figure it out. As we go. The next is public. src. Then we have components. Let's have a look, see what we got. Let's have a look, see what you got. Let's have a look, see what you got. But this is a folder though, it's not a file. How do I make it a folder? Because this is a folder. How do I make you a folder without doing the folder things? What placeholders? Oh, that's how you do it. Interesting. That is 3 dots. Cool. We can do that. So GitHub would do that. That's that 1, 2, 3. Is that correct? I didn't save. We did not save. We must save. We must always save. We must always aim to save. Let's see. That's not it. How come? That is what we did though. That. There. Stuff. Save. So public worked. What do you mean placeholders don't work? That is what you did though. That is fine, that looks fine. Who knows? Let's continue. I keep opening this for no reason. Come back here. Let's just go the other folders. We need components, we need, within components we have features. Within features we have, within each tab we have this, jig. In features we have language sidebar.astro. Save. Are we in business? Yes, we're in business. Maybe I didn't put a space here. Is there a space here? There. Save. Is that it? Boom. Oh, that is it. I need to put a space. Okay, good to know. So same thing here. Go 1, 2, 3. Cool. Now how do you do the copy? Is it like this? Get that done. The project. Boom. See? Oh, cool. That does work. Right. Come here we go. And the workflows. Right. Let's continue. We've got top line nav. And come back here. We need content. This we have docs. No, docs. We have learn. No, learn. We have maybe it's too French. Do that. This. We have something like Swahili. Basics.md. Then we just have some 1, 2, 3 more of these guys. Is that copacetic? That's good. This can collapse. This can open. Right, that's enough for content. Saga docs. Docs live. That's boom. Boom that. So the highlighting will be useful for contribution stuff. Okay, so I have content. Then within the content, we need the config.js, which is here on this level. Is that it? Yes. Config.js. That's boom. That's content done. Then no, don't do this. .js, escape, enter, and then up level of data. Then we have icons. Then we have layouts. Then within layouts we have meta. Then within meta we have base head.astro. Now some of you might say, yeah, you can get AI to do this for you. You can get like a chatbot to do it for you, but I want to type. I like typing. This is why I'm doing it myself. If I didn't like typing, why would I be even in the industry? I know there are ways to do it faster, but yeah, y'all can do that. For me, speed is not the concern. I'd rather do it myself, take the time, make sure it is working properly, than just hand it off for it to be done as quickly as possible. Because for me, there is a joy in seeing the things I'm doing coming together in real time. For some of you, maybe it might not be, but for me, it is. So every time I do this, I come back and I see this, and everything seems to be in order. I'm like so happy. I'm so very, very happy. Partials, that's fine. Then this is base.astro, which is correct because they're all in the same layouts folder. Now we move on. After layouts, we have pages. Pages. Then in pages we have, okay, this is run path. Okay, do that. Then slug dot astro. Does that compute? Does that compute? It does compute. Perfect. So layout is right here, same level as pages. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't put it in pages. You idiot child. There. Like that. Okay, that's cool. That's fine. Pages and layouts are on the same level, which is on the same level as content. Okay, data and icons need placeholders. I forgot 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Okay, even docs needs the same thing again. So let's do this. Go boom. 1, 2, 3. Pat. Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo. Let's move on. Because it's important that I have the entire layout written out for this getting started page, and then I can split it up later for the sections that are important. So after slab.astro, go back here, we go need 4.astro. We have about.astro. We have index dot astro. Then that's all for pages. So we go have another folder here. We have utils. Then within utils, what do I have in here? Okay, well, I have that one function that I need to extract out. That I said I'm gonna extract out. Get menu from collection.js. Escape. After that, we have this env.d.ts. Then we've got the dot get ignore. Then we have dot prettier ignore dot prettier rc dot mjs. Then we have astro dot config dot mjs. Then we have capstock code of conduct. We have contributing .md. Go away, sure. Then we have detail.png. Then we have home.png. .png. Then we have license. Then we've got package.json. No, stop doing this. .json. pnpm. lock.yml. This one didn't get a workspace thing. Interesting. Readme. Then tailwind.config.js. Then tsconfig.js. Then that's all of it. Alright. Stop inserting. For heaven's sake. Save. I think that's more than enough. These are all on the root level of the project, which is fine. Wait, did I put them in this? Oh my god, I'm an idiot. You guys need to move out. You're not in SRC. All of you get ignore stuff. You're not in SRC. So you go there. Go there. Why did none of you tell me what I was doing? Huh? You tell me, no, you're putting them in the wrong place. They should be a level up. Look at me now. Backspacing everything. Huh? It's supposed to be helpful, guys. It's supposed to be helpful. These are our dogs, not just my dogs. Safe. So now it's fixed. Should be fixed now. Yeah, looks like it's fixed. Because we close SRC, then everyone else is out here. Okay. That's fine. Contribution, guys. This was this file. Language contribution. Let's start with language contribution. I think so. I can just copy the file tree and just remove the things that are not important for you guys. So let's go back to getting started. This is where we are. This is in SRC. It is in content. It is in docs. It is in contributing. It is in language. easy. Uh, need to do an import. So this I think I'm done with. Yeah, this one done with. This we can close. Now it's just a matter of copying this file tree thingy. No, actually, let me grab the import. The import is rather more important than most things. Let's come here. Why you people don't like double quotes is beyond me. Oh, you need to be an MDX. My bad. My bad. Why? Why do you have an error now? Why are you erroring now? Because of this? Because it's a heading without... what does it say? What uses this yesterday? Where... knowledge, expertise, the file tree, right? This is close you again. I'm gonna do this 1 2 3 because most of this is not important, but that would be an src content, and there's going to be other stuff that's just here that's not important. Then within content we're going to have this is not important. Stop this. Then learn. This is where you go. Then this. Does that work? Do my two spaces work? They also work. Interesting. Didn't do what I thought you'd do. Used to be an actual tab meetings. Oh, my bad. You. Interesting. So see you. Why are you true tab indentations whereas the other one isn't? Anyway, who knows? So French, for example, that 1 2 3. Stop justifying normal.
Power. Yes. Absolute power.
Something like this. Oh my lordy. Did I not tab you in though? Are you not tabbed in? I swear. Whoever decided to make this difficult for me needs to be stopped. Okay, that's fine. Did the highlight work? Yay! It did work. Did work. Perfect. Anyway. Alright. Where is my contributing.md? This guy. Did the folder structure twice. What did I do here? Oh yes, I went silent. Sorry guys, I went silent. I forgot I was recording. I have not gone away. I have not forgotten. Just need to think a bit. So I did not gonna work. Of course, I did not. I did not close it. Okay, that is okay. That looks fine. That's okay. I think we can push some changes in Nispa. I think we can do that. I think for now we can commit some changes. Yeah, let's just do the about. Why not? Let's just do the about for now. Where is it? I need obsidian. Come on. Thank you. Okay, perfect. What do I want? Yeah, this was supposed to be on the home page. Let's go grab it. Let's go put it where? Where do we put it in index.md? What do I want to put it? Go into the language of docs, that's fine. Tagline, that's okay. I think before this grid, right here, that would be a good place to put it. Let's go have a look, see, go back to welcome. Can it be like a quote or something? This is what we are. Of course I spelled language wrong. Of course I did. And none of you told me. Again, not a single one of you keep You need to tell me these things, guys. You need to tell me these things. That you spelled it wrong. Language. Right, that's fine for now. What I actually do need to do is ensure now I have a link to the docs. There's docs on the actual main homepage of the project. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna steal some information from the about page. What inspired this project? Boom. I'm gonna grab these two. You guys are going in about. Because writing things is hard, guys. It's hard. It's very, very hard. Where did I put the about.md? She is here. Why language? Boom. Okay, that's decent. That's a decent enough about. I don't want anything austere, as it were. Are there any emphasis thingies here? Any emphasis components here? Badges, not so much. Tabs, what are tabs? What do tabs do? Stars, moons. Huh. Huh. That is very interesting. But how do you sync them though? Keep multiple codes synchronized by the sync key. Where's the sync key? Oh, sync key. Okay. Okay, cool. Can I do this for my... Because y'all did this for your installation, right? Manual setup. Yeah, y'all did this with this. These are tabs. Okay, let's go do it. I am inspired. Let's go do it. Let's go fix getting started. Let me see. It's tabs, then tab item. Okay, cool. Let's go do it. Let's go do it. That is getting started. I need tabs. Tab item. This one is fine. This one is fine. This one though. If we're to do here, go tabs. Tabs. And then we close the tab item. The tabs, I mean. Right, then we made oh, don't open the terminal, you dumbass. Okay, tab item is also a thingy, so it could work. It could actually work. Let's go tab item. Close the tab item. And then inside the tab item, nope, that's the wrong one. Take me to my browser. Let's go to the top. Label. npm grab you, X you out. Why are you refusing? Oh, what do you expect? It's there though. It's right there. Tabs. The fuck? Lord Jesus in heaven. Hey, it works. Good stuff. Do the same thing. So I don't need this. I don't need this. Then we're gonna grab these two guys again. Copy. Then instead of this, paste this. And then we're going to run dev pm dev save. Then we need a sync key. Let's do a sync key. Where is the sync key? Sync key. Package manager. Package manager. Can I tab you guys a bit more? You don't look tabbed enough. Yeah, but it's fine. It's all good. It's fine. It's sexy. It's copacetic. Who gives a damn? Yay! 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 It works. I'm so happy. That's perfect. We did tabs. Can I have icon on the tabs though? Is my question. That is my question. Buy my cookies. Buy my cookies. Oh, there's an icon. Yes, there's an icon. Let's do it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Wait, on where? On does it go on the thing? Okay. npm npm. So we don't have an npm icon. Interesting, Astro. Interesting. Why do you not have an npm icon? Explain yourself. Explain yourself why you don't have an npm icon. That is very strange. It is very strange. Why do you not have an npm icon? Explain yourself. You know what, it's fine. At least I know it works. The code one is not as useful as one might think. But I think what is that switch? I wonder. Okay. That is fine. That is very fine. I do not mind it. Does remove the icon because the other one doesn't have. Let's have uniformity. With that done, let's go home. Let me actually go. Let's collapse the docs pages. We'll come back and do more of the doc stuff in a later video. Right now, I'm gonna make sure everything is working and is deployed. So, first order of business would be go to pages to index.astro. Yes, one of you is gonna have to help me figure out how to get. I think I know how we get the content collection. Same way we did in my Slack page. We get the initial thing and then we render out. But then they're linked by Slavic and stuff. So this would need to be there. I don't know. It's a grouping thing. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? Alive. They are live at docs. Docs. Save. That's not working. Okay. Oh, because I did target blank, you dumbass. Let's not do that. Save. Oh, that works perfectly. Take you home. Then what I need is the header. Header.astro. This is languages. This is for the flags. I think I can put it right here, right? No, bitch. Instead, can you stop? Can you like stop for a second? Just stop for the sake of my sanity. A docs. Read the docs. That did not change anything. How come? Did I not save? I saved. Let us inspect this. You tell me why my other anchor link isn't working here. Where is it? Oh, it's in the middle here. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. It's right here. It's right here. Cool. I think that's enough. So those are the two things I'm going to commit first. The pages, like the let's see. Need to commit git add src pages index.astro git add src layouts partials header.astro then I'll just git add public as well. Git commit feature set up for docs then git add, then for everything relating to docs, that was the package.json, the pnpm.lock.yaml, the astroconfig.js. What else did we change here? I think that's all of these guys. That's fine. Then we need to add this is fine for now for this. And git add src content config.js. That's fine. Git commit feature config for docs, then git add src content docs, git commit feature begin docs stuff like that. That's all of it, right? What's remaining? Oh, this style, my god. Did I git add astro.config.mgs package.json pnpm lock.yaml? Did I not add these though? Git add src styles. That's fine. I thought I'd added these. I swear I'd added these. Git commit fit. What's remaining here? Uncommitted is assets and components. So git add src assets, git add src components, starlight provider.astro. That's all of it. Git commit feature polish up docs stuff. Git push. Pray with me it doesn't die. Okay, for now let's stop the dev server. I think we're fine. We have no major issues. I like that. And we wait for a second. Just wait for me for a second. Let it build. Then when it's built, we can check if everything is in order. If everything is in order. What do we command? Oh, I'm the one who failed the command. This is not working. This is not working. Let us go to the language hub. It's live. They're live. They're live. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It is so beautiful. Look at these docs. Look at these beautiful docs. Contribution guides. Everything works well. Language contribution, code contribution. So these two need to be swapped around, but it's fine. Okay, this is all good. It's all good. Everything works as it should. I love it. I love it so much. And the dark mode, light mode works. It's all good. So in the deployed version, it actually remembers what I needed to do. Yeah, so that's one thing done. The docs have started. They're ready for contributions and stuff, which is I should go to the GitHub and actually close an issue that I had to add the docs. Yeah, I was supposed to do it on a separate branch, but yeah, we're not doing that. I was not doing that. I was not going to do that. Add Starlight, configure Starlight. Add Starlight, come on. Add docs pages, write docs pages. That's fine. The docs are now live. Now live. Close this with a comment. issue closed. Let's see what other issues we have here that need attention. Spanish file, I have no one. No one for the Spanish file. Verbs, I think I added verbs. Don't we have verbs in French? Did I not add verbs to French? I have verbs. Just see, this is the problem of me not working with on separate branches. Yeah, I've got verbs. Verbs is there, so this can be closed as well. Possessives, do we have possessives in French? Okay, we don't have possessives. But verbs is there. Verbs to Swahili. So this one is done. This can close as well. This is it's still a running issue. Better way to get home page data files. It's still a running issue. Okay, plurals to Russian. Did I not add plurals to Russian? Not yet. Okay, so that should be next, I think. Please pronounce. Yeah, this one. Someone suggested it in the end. I added it as a feature, but they never came to do it. Funny how that is. This one is complete. Part 1 done. Close issue with a comment. Is that oh yeah, they fixed GitHub, so now it actually refreshes when you close issues. So plurals, articles, and possessives to French, we need to do that. Verbs to Swahili, we need to do that. Play button, maybe I should deal with this one first, probably. Changelog. I tried doing the changelog stuff. It is annoying. I might close this issue entirely. Who knows? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we work on first. But other than that, thank you guys for joining me. We did some good work. Everything I wanted to do right now is now live, specifically the docs. Go to the docs page, see it remembers, which is cool. Bonus stuff on place, powered by Astro. Yes, I know. Astro. Code contribution. Code contribution is not yet live, but we're gonna put it later. It's gonna be fun. No, it's not. I think I've had like a bunch of major issues that I have for the code itself, like needs attention type of thing. We'll add that to it. The about, add and check the about. Yeah, so that's just about it. Here's our docs. We did our docs. They're live on our site, on the URL on our site, which is copacetic. Light mode, dark mode works. Thing is good. Hopefully someone will come and figure out a way to get dark mode on the main site. I am not doing it. I refuse. I could do it, but no thank you. Yeah, that is all. Thank you guys. Signing out.